Hey guys, this is Jacomo Gaming and Aiden Gaming. We are playing on a game called Zedge, and you can get like stuff like shape for you on it,
Mama,
and, like, human, mama, I don't know what it is. And like you can get some. You can get what was it called, Aiden? What was that funny thing we?
Potato.
Potato. But sorry about potato. Ringtones. Please wait. Potatoes.
One potato, two
No,
potatoes,
this is not it.
three potatoes.
Hot potato. Not it. Not it.
It's just called potato.
I need to find it. We can't find it. It's just called potato though. This is not it. What the heck?
Potato.
Oh, you just noticed, didn't it? Potato! Potato! Right, that was a waste of time, so we're probably just gonna have to find it ourselves.
Oh!
Oh, sorry, it says only fools and horses.
Do you know?
No,
Do you not know me? No. But do you not know me?
What the hell?